I'm Donna, and this is Ara, and this is RJ. So, right now we're covering Someone Like You by Adele. And you can watch it. Yeah, watch it. Settle down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that she treats me true. Yes, she gave me things as she gives you. Oh, friend, why so shy? She like you cold. High popularity to turn up out of the blue. Everybody said I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hope to see my face, and I should be reminded that the it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts to love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
naman ako ah.
Sergey Reyes, Gandhi.
Idol.
Kaso yung ano,